Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get to customer service of Temu. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, you're going to head over to temu.com, and then from here, you're going to make sure that you're signed in or you have created an account. Now, once you're in, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. From your dashboard, you're just going to look over to the top right corner of the screen, and then you can see the support button. You can just hover your mouse over this, and then you're just going to click on Support Center. Now, from the Support Center section or page, you are going to go and scroll all the way down until you see this Contact Us. So you're just going to click on Contact Us, and then from here, you will see that this customer service tab. Now you can get to chat with the customer service and tell them what they can do for you, whether it is a problem or an issue with your account or any of your orders. And that's it. That is how you can get to Temu's customer service. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.